Yeah, most of you guys have been asking, hey Chibuzo, what do you do to actually make your AliExpress orders to arrive faster or quickly to your destination, right to your doorsteps? Well, I think it's time I let the cat out of the bag. Yes, and in this video, I'll be telling you 3 important things you should do, or I'll be teaching you how to make your AliExpress orders arrive faster right from today. Before we proceed, most of you that are familiar with this channel, you quite agree that I've put up lots of video talking about AliExpress and telling you the reason why you should start shipping from AliExpress if you reside in Nigeria or maybe any African country, even in the United States. Shopping from AliExpress is quite convenient and the goods are quite cheap and affordable. Before we proceed, in case you're visiting this channel for the first time, Chibuzo is my name, and already Blog Infotech is the name of this channel. What I actually do is a do-it-yourself channel. Actually dish out tutorials teaching you how you can carry out so many functions all by yourself and make life more easier. It's actually a technology-related channel, so if you want to see lots of videos just like this, you can simply hit the subscribe button, also turn on the bell notification so that again it's notified when I put up my next video. Now let's jump to the business of today. Actually, it's a quick one, it's a fast video. I just want to tell you 3 things you should start doing, or you should take notes of whenever you want to shop from AliExpress. The first thing you do, once you create an account on AliExpress, you should actually use your correct details, your name, your address, your zip code, your phone number, and the likes, because it's from your phone number the delivery company or the logistic company that's carried your goods right from China down to your country will actually use to contact you, and your address is what they will use to either bring your product down to your doorstep. So that's why it's quite important for you to use your correct address and also your phone number, and also use your correct name, because in some cases they will ask for your ID to make sure that they're actually delivering the product to the right person. So put in your right details. That's the first important thing you should do. Then the next one is to use a fast shipping method. If you're familiar with this channel, like I said, I've put up lots of video why you should use AliExpress standard shipping. AliExpress standard shipping is actually one of the cheapest shipping method that are quite fast, which you start using from today. They are quite fast and they're cheap. DHL is on the high side, is quite expensive, so I wouldn't advise you to use DHL. But if you have the money using DHL, you can go ahead and use DHL. But I always use AliExpress standard shipping. And if you go to the description of this video, I'll place a link and tell you the reason why you should use it. You have to go back and watch that video. If you're familiar with this channel, you must have already watched that video. Now that's the second thing. Then the third thing you should do, always whenever you made an order, it is quite important for you to also message the seller. Yes, it actually gives the seller the prompt that yes, this buyer on the other end actually need this product faster, and it will make him or trigger him to actually start processing your orders fast, and then tends to ship it down to your country. So these are the 3 important things you should do. Once you're settled with these, there's no other thing you should do, because be rest assured that your goods, all things being equal, will have to arrive to your doorstep. So with that, like I said, it's just a short video. We've come to the end of this video. In case you still want to watch other videos concerning AliExpress, go to the playlist of this video, there you'll discover more about AliExpress. And in case you've still yet not hit the subscribe button, kindly hit the subscribe button, also turn on the bell notification. You get notified whenever I put up my next similar videos just like this. And I believe I just let the cat out of the bag. So start using this method I explained today, nothing else. I actually made an order yesterday, and I believe it must arrive in latest 2 or 3 weeks time down to Nigeria, where I reside. And also if you're in America, UK, wherever, kindly ship from AliExpress. This is not an advertisement video. It's not a paid advert video, but I use it, and I believe you should start using it from today. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. But if you still have any question concerning AliExpress, kindly go to the comment section of this video, ask a question, and I'll attend to them or answer them speedily. So see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.